Okay, I'm just going to show you real quick. This is a 77 Dodge Ram Charger. How to grease the front wheel bearings. If you look right here, the owner's manual says to grease them about every 6,000 miles or every 6 months. And it shows you got a sight glass in the Zert. Here's your sight glass. You rotate this until you find the Zert. Take your grease gun, put it in there till it gets right on there like that, and then you just pump the grease in it, and it's like repacking the wheel bearing of a normal older car. You pack the wheel bearings, well, push the grease through. This pushes the grease through and it comes out the backside. When you get the grease coming out the backside and the old pushes out and the new comes in, you got your front wheel bearings greased. Full-time four-wheel drive, Dana 44. This is what it come with from the factory, and these have to be greased. If not, well, the bearings go out, and then you got to remove this nut and separate the hub from the rotor, and just a lot bigger mess. So it's just a lot cheaper to take your tire off every 6 months. All you do is jack it up, take the tire off, rotate this, find the grease Zert, pump the grease in until it comes out the back with the new grease, and guess what? You're done. Thank you.